Where's he going? Look, the party's over here.
Wait, he said him. Oh no.
Scarlett, look at the big one up here. Look, right here. He's big. Okay. Ooh. Okay, stop. I'm gonna kneel down. Okay, go ahead.
You see the blueberry one? A blueberry one. I think the blueberry one. Where's the blueberry one?
Ooh, let's see. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Hey, can you share it?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please? Okay. Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. Is that your favorite? Okay.
Stinky.
He is Stinkpot. That's his name. Look, he's right here. He's saying hello. I want to eat you.
Yeah, I like you. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. He's like a dinosaur.
He does look like a dinosaur.